Good morning students. Today we are going to see about numbers. Maths is whole about numbers. Everything that we learn in mathematics is nothing but the different forms of number. In lower class we studied about the numbers and operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this section, let us know how to identify the place value of digits and comparison between the numbers. Learning objectives. By the end of the unit, you will be able to understand the comparison between numbers, expand the numbers, illustrate usage of commas, differentiate Indian system and international system of numeration. Counting numbers. The number that we use for counting are called as a counting numbers. It starts with 1. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it goes on. These numbers are considered as a natural numbers and we can define as the collection of all counting numbers is called as a natural number. Before going to the topic, we just recall what is meant by successor and what is meant by predecessor. Successor means when 1 is added to a number, we get its successor. Predecessor, when 1 is subtracted from a number, we get its predecessor. For example, the successor of 5 is 6. When we add 1 to this number, we get the answer 6. Then, the predecessor of 6 is 5. When we subtracted 1 from this number, we get the answer 5. Place value. Place value can be defined as a value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Do you know how many students are there in your class? The number of students in your class would be the 2-digit number or at the maximum 3-digit number. These are the smaller numbers. But if you ask the number of students in a city, definitely it would be the larger number. To understand a number, there are two most important things to know. One is face value and another one is place value of each of its digits. Let us discuss about the difference between Indian and international system of numeration. In Indian system, the place value start with 5 groups of separations. Here the first column represents the ones, tens and hundreds. In the second column represents the 1000 and 10,000 place value. And the third column represents the lakh and 10 lakh. Fourth column represents crores, 10 crores. Fifth column represents Arabs and 10 Arabs. Next one is international system. In international system, place value also separated into 5 groups. First group is ones, tens, 100. Second one is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Third one is million, 10 million, 100 million. Fourth one is billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. And the fifth one is trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion. Comparison of numbers. Students, we are familiar with the concept of comparing numbers and finding the biggest among them. Why we compare the numbers? If we compare the numbers, then only we can able to find the highest value and lowest value. In the first sum, as we already know that the number 9 is greater than 8. So we put the symbol greater symbol here. In second one, we have the 5-digit number. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. In this, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Both are 5-digit number. So, first we have to choose the 10,000 place. Here the 10,000 place is 6. Here the 10,000 place is 6. So, both are same. Go for the next step, 1000 value. Here the 1000 value is 5. Here the 1000 value is 4. Here we know that the number 5 is greater than 4. So we conclude that 65,895 is the greatest number. We know that greatest 1-digit number is 9. Greatest 2-digit number is 99. Greatest 3-digit number is 999. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Now observe the pattern given here. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. When we add 1 to the greatest 1-digit number, we get the answer 10. That means smallest 2-digit number. When we add 1 to the greatest 2-digit number, we get the answer 100, which means 3-digit smallest number. When we add 1 to the greatest 3-digit number, we get the answer 1000, which means smallest 4-digit number. It's similar for the smallest 5-digit number and 6-digit number.
Let's listen to the conversation between two friends.
Hi Vinay,
Hi Vandana.
do you know what is the least 7-digit number?
Yes, it is 1000000.
Do you know what is the highest 7-digit number?
Yes, it is 9999999.
What will happen if we add 1 to that number?
If we add 1, it will become 1 crore, which is the smallest 8-digit number.
Let us devise the concept of expansion using the place value. Here the first question is 2-digit number 85. 5 in the place of ones and 8 in the place of tens. 85 can be written as 80 plus 5. It cannot be changed. 80 plus 5 is 85. And then 80 can be written as 8 into 10. How? Because 8 is in the tens place. So just multiply by the respective place value. And 5 in the place of ones. Just multiply by respective place value. Here the 3-digit number is given 685. 5 in the place of ones, 8 in the place of tens and 6 in the place of 100. 685 can be written as 600 plus 85. It cannot be changed, right? 600 plus 85 is 685. And then let's break this 85 into 80 plus 5. 600 plus 80 plus 5 is equal to 685. It cannot be changed. Then you have to expand the following. 600 can be written as 6 into 100. Why? 6 in the place of 100. And 8 into 10. 8 in the place of tens. 5 into 1. And 5 in the place of ones. Next one is using of commas in a appropriate places. Indian system of numeration. In Indian system, you have to use the place value as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. In Indian system, you have to use the first comma after the 3-digit. 1, 2, 3. That means after the 100th place. The second comma should be placed after the 2 digits. That means 5 digits later. Then the third comma also you have to put after the 2 digits. And it can be read as 56,89,671. Next one is international system of numeration. International system place value start with ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. In international system you have to use all the commas after the 3-digit. And it can be read as 5,689,671.
Using of commas in appropriate places in large numbers. We have often used commas while writing numbers. Commas help us in reading and writing large numbers. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then lakhs, crores, and so on. Let's see the conversation between teacher and student on usage of comma. What is a comma? Comma is a punctuation mark indicating a pause between parts of a sentence or separating items in a list. How to use it? Let us go into details of using commas in numbers. See the number shown on the screen. Here, the first comma should come after hundreds place. That is, 3 digits from the right and marks thousands. The second comma comes 2 digits later. That is 5 digits from the right. It comes after 10,000s place and marks lakh. The third comma should come after 10 lakhs place and marks crore. Varun, read out these numbers using commas. 5 crore 78 lakh 97,451. 89 crore 24 lakh 56,321. 78 crore 65 lakh 46,632.
Let us perform an activity based on Indian system and international system. Here the first question is, write the following numbers in the Indian system and international system by using commas. For Indian system, you have to use the first comma after the 3 digits, the second comma after 2 digits later, and the third comma after 2 digits later. And for international system, you have to use all the commas after the 3 digits. Then the second question is, write the number names of the following numerals in the Indian system and international system.